Welcome back as we explore the baby delight beside me dreamer Bassinet for your nursery. This JPMA-certified sleeper anchors securely to your bed for maximum safety and peace of mind. Your infant rests on a firm mattress surrounded by breathable mesh walls for optimal airflow. Simply unzip the side panel to easily nurse or comfort your baby throughout the night. The frame features 8 height positions to ensure a perfect fit with almost any adult bed. This stylish golden grain sleeper offers tool-free assembly and was proudly designed in the USA. Enjoy a closer bond with your little one while everyone gets a better night of sleep. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.